In the preview, I played the whole verse. Note that a lot of that was done in the previous lesson, and in this lesson, we're going to fill in the rest of it. Let me start by playing the first part of what was in the preview, which we already know. If you need to review that, go back to lesson 2. That's this part here. And then it's going to repeat the first half of that one more time. So again, we already learned that in the previous lesson. So let me play up through there. Okay, now starting here is where some of the new stuff is. So this next part, we're going to an F sharp with finger 4 in our right hand, while we go to a B with finger 5 in our left hand. Okay, so we have, and then similar to what we did previously in the left hand, we're going to have finger 5 on the B, finger 3 on the D sharp, and finger 2 on the F sharp. With the right hand, so we have, and then from here, we're going to release the F sharp and play a B with finger 1, D sharp with finger 2, holding down that B, and then an F sharp with finger 3, and we can release the B at that point because we're going to be playing it again. So we have, and then we play the B again and the D sharp again. Let's do it from the progression before that on the F sharp. I want to add one more note in the left hand there. We have, and then when we play this B again, we're going to release the F sharp and hit it again. So it's, and from the F sharp, and then we're going to go to a C sharp in our left hand with finger 4 and a G sharp in the right hand with finger 4. And then in the right hand, we're going to play C sharp with finger 1, F with finger 2, and then G sharp with finger 3. From the C sharp, we're then going to play a high C sharp with finger 5, then back to the lower C sharp with finger 1, F with finger 2, G sharp with finger 3. So it's from the F sharp, notice how I hold down that high C sharp the whole time. Let's do it from the beginning of the lesson up through what we just learned. And then we go back to the beginning. Again. And this part is the same. And then there's going to be a change when we go to the C sharp the second time. So now when we go to the C sharp the second time, the beginning is the same, the C sharp and G sharp, then C sharp with finger 1, F with finger 2, G sharp with finger 3. From the B. And now we're going to play a full C sharp major chord with fingers 1 on the C sharp, 2 on the F, 3 on the G sharp, 5 on the C sharp, and in the left hand, 2 C sharps with pinky and thumb, fingers 5 and 1. From the B again. And that's the whole part. Let's play the whole thing from the beginning. let's add in the pedal. The first time I'm going to say the word pedal every time I release and press down the pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal. I'm going to play it with the pedal again. This time I'm not going to say anything. Finally, let's play everything we know so far, starting from the very beginning of the song.